This project was a Scottish Enterprise funded programme that brought some interesting research that we developed in the lab to a larger project which went to the stage where we could make a commercial. And what we're trying to do in the centre in general is to develop sustainable biofuel. And one of the things we can look at is existing biological resources in different regions and try and maximise the energy output from those. And we simply looked in Scotland for the biggest industry that generates biological products in addition to its main product, and that's the whisky industry. So when you make whisky, it's a very simple process and long-standing and traditional, where you take barley and water and yeast, you malt the barley to release some sugar, add your yeast and water and ferment it, and then distill off the alcohol. Now that leaves behind a number of byproducts which are of lower negative value for the industry. One is the barley that's left behind after you've malted it, and the other is to distillate after you've taken off the alcohol. So we developed a process for combining these two residues, and from that mixture we produce higher value products, and specifically we're looking at making biobutanol as a next generation biofuel. So it's renewability and sustainability in terms of adding on value to an existing industry. The original research was a small program that we ran within the Biofuel Research Centre as a scientific experiment to see could we make biobutanol from whisky products. When we found we could, we engaged with Scottish Enterprise through their proof of concept programme, and this is designed to bring laboratory interesting experiments to the scale where they could become commercial. So through that programme we had 2 years where we developed it from a small lab project to a pre-commercial project, and proved the concept, developed a business plan, and came to the stage where this is potentially a large industry, a new industry and a sustainable industry for Scotland, and that's where we've come to. And the Biofuel Business Programme is designed to help companies to come and produce their products and develop themselves within the market and guide them through. So to a certain extent the university side is now done, and we hand this over to a real business, and it's our hope that this will become a large sustainable industry within Scotland, generating employment and new fuel and sustainability in the coming years.